In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create zero batch payment approvals efficiently and in no time at all. Let's get started by logging into Xero accounting software. First, head over to the Xero login page. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Xero dashboard. On the dashboard, locate and click on the connected app icon. This is where you can manage the integrations that work seamlessly with Xero. Select Approval Max from the list of connected apps. You'll be prompted to allow access, so go ahead and click the Allow Access button. This step is crucial to ensure that Approval Max can communicate effectively with your Xero account. Once inside Approval Max, navigate to the Approval Workflows section. This is where all your existing workflows are managed. Ensure that the Xero batch payment workflow is activated. If it's not, simply activate it by selecting it. This workflow is essential for managing batch payments smoothly. Next, select the Xero batch payments option. Here, you'll start by entering the payment date for the batch payments you intend to process. After inputting the date, you need to select the bank account you wish to use for the payments. Choosing the correct bank account is key as it will determine where the funds will be drawn from. The next step involves adding a reference for the batch payment. This reference serves as a useful identifier for future reconciliation and tracking. Once you've entered the reference, click on the ADD Bills button. This button allows you to start compiling all the individual bills you need to include in the batch payment. Now complete all necessary details for each bill you are adding. Ensuring accuracy here is vital to avoid errors later in the process. Once everything is correctly entered, hit the Add button to finalize the inclusion of bills in the batch. When you're finished adding all the necessary details, the final step is to click on Submit for approval. This action triggers the approval process within your organization, keeping everything streamlined and compliant with your internal policies. Congratulations! You've just created a Xero batch payment approval. This process ensures that payments are not only organized but also approved in a consistent and controlled manner. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you efficiently manage batch payments in Xero and Approval Max. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to check out more tutorials like this one for further insights and tips.